Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. My name is Carter, and this is your Southeast Idaho weather hazard briefing for Thursday, July 20th. Going to be looking at some isolated to scattered thunderstorms throughout the day today, especially in the afternoon and early evening hours with a warm weekend ahead. I'll be breaking that down for you this morning. Keyboards we're going to focus on today. Warm and mostly dry weather is expected to continue. We're going to see isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms today, trending drier through the weekend. But with that, we are also going to get warmer for the weekend. So afternoon highs will be back in the upper 80s to low triple digits as we head into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, with breezy winds on Monday helping to knock those temperatures down just a little bit. Increased fire weather danger is expected as we're going to enter a period of well above normal temperatures and very dry conditions with breezy afternoon winds peaking on Monday. Quick look at satellite for you this morning. So just a little bit of cloud cover working across the southeast highlands and portions of southeast Idaho this morning. A couple showers out there, but nothing too impressive, at least now. While we're expecting that to expand in coverage later today. And bigger picture for you is this high pressure rate is going to be kicking that system that's currently in Wyoming to our east later today. With that, just getting some isolated showers and thunderstorms picking up into scattered coverage by the afternoon. And we're going to have this high pressure with us through the weekend, keeping things mostly dry. Again, can't rule out an isolated shower or two in the mountains. But this main system that's going to be to our west right now, this will be moving onshore later part of this week into next week. So with that, we're going to see some breezier winds and temperatures beginning to cool down for your Monday. Weather outlook for the next 5 days. Main concerns today will center around isolated showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon and early evening hours, with wildfire smoke across central Idaho up into the eastern highlands associated with wildfire activity. For Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're looking at well above normal temperatures. As far as heat risk concerns, we're looking at moderate to major heat risk concerns, so certainly something to keep in mind during the peak afternoon hours. Temperatures will be in the 90s to low triple digits. For Monday, we are going to have a system swing through our area, at least bringing some breezy winds and increasing areas of wildfire smoke again across portions of Lemhi County. Here's a look at the Hayden fires. This fire developed yesterday, again, south of Salmon, northwest of Leadore, and this will be continuing to develop. It rapidly expanded yesterday, showing extreme fire behavior. And here's a look at the HRRR smoke model. So we currently have two fires burning up in central Idaho, the Hayden fire and Gold Run fire. So we are going to see generally hazy conditions out there, but you can see here on the HRRR model, this is going to be where the best concentrations of that wildfire smoke will be. And again, for this afternoon, once we get the daytime heating going, very dry conditions, thunderstorm winds, we'll be keeping an eye on that. But by this afternoon, expecting some more plumes of smoke to develop off both these fires, overspreading into central and eastern portions of Idaho, and that will continue into the overnight hours, again diminishing in activity overnight as drier and quieter weather conditions return. High temperatures today should be overall fairly pleasant, at least getting a little bit warmer across portions of the lower valley. Afternoon highs back into the 80s to mid-90s, pushing the low triple digits out in the western Magic Valley. Wind gusts today, so this is not looking at thunderstorm wind gusts, but at least for wind gusts synoptically today, sea gusts about 20 to 25 miles an hour. And again, one of those stronger thunderstorms will be capable of producing wind gusts greater than 40 miles an hour. Look from the Storm Prediction Center for the outlook today, so our entire area is highlighted in the risk of isolated subsevere thunderstorms. And again, the primary focus of these storms today will center around gusty winds. Here's a look at those thunderstorm probabilities for you. So at least those highest percentile, at least 40 to 70%, will be across portions of southern and extreme eastern Idaho. As far as you head further northwest, it'll be decreasing chances. So up in the Panhandle and western Idaho, not expecting much in development there. But as this system again works east, we're going to see really good development into Wyoming, down into Colorado. But again, keeping with those shower and thunderstorm chances for this afternoon. And outside of isolated activity this morning, again, we're going to expect most of the show to get going for this afternoon. And you can expect by 1, 2 o'clock hour, start to see some thunderstorms firing off in the central mountains and across this areas of south and east of the Snake Plain. This will continue to track east, following suit with that system that's going to be working into Wyoming. And through the afternoon and evening hours, again, just keeping an eye out there for gusty winds, lightning, and the potential for that. But beyond that, we're going to see some drier conditions return for later tonight. High temperatures for Friday, so noticeably warmer across the board. We're going to see much drier and warmer conditions work in as that high pressure becomes well enveloped in the area. Afternoon highs now in the mid-80s to low triple digits. Wind gusts on Friday still light, but we're going to see gusts again in the afternoon about 20 to 25 miles an hour. And the Day 2 outlook looks like that risk of thunderstorms will be pushed farther east from the Storm Prediction Center Day 2 outlook. But the HRRF probability thunder does have about a 10 to 20% chance up along the Montana Divide area, something up towards Fremont, Custer County in that area through there into Wyoming. But beyond that, we're not expecting any coverage of more widespread thunderstorms like today. Weekend high temperatures, so we are going to be setting some potential records for this weekend. So even on Friday, looking at potentially in Pocatello, but for Saturday and Sunday, looking like more climate sites could be seeing those potential record-breaking temperatures as afternoon highs are well into the 90s to low triple digits. Looks like the Teton Valley will be seeing 90 for the first time this year. Weekend wind gusts overall, again, just slightly breezy winds in the afternoon. Saturday, about 20 to 25 miles an hour, increasing on Sunday ahead of our next system rolling through. Gusts about 25 to 35 miles an hour, locally higher, 40 miles an hour or stronger. High temperatures on Monday, so noticeably cooler, at least 80s to low 90s for much of the area, peaking in the mid-90s from the Magic Valley to Lower Snake Plain up into the Salmon and Challis areas. But overall, temperatures will be dropping just a little bit, and that'll be hoping that at least accompanying these strong winds that'll be working in later part of Monday, seeing gusts about 30 to 40 miles an hour. Could be locally stronger across the Arco Mud Lake Desert area. And that's about all I have for you this morning. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Stay safe out there.